Hi, I'm Pandula. I'm the chef in Monkey for Free. I'm going to show you how to make gingerbread cookies today. And for the mixture, we get dairy free. So this is dairy free version. So we got white light. Added the sugar. So I'll get brown sugar, light brown sugar, add it to the mix with the white light, and then gradually I'll sift it self-raising flour. Then the mixture, optionally you can add the syrup as well, then give extra sweetener. So then if I add the syrup, then I'll reduce the amount of the sugar and then mix it well, then get into a nice firm dough like that. Then half an hour you can roughly clip them and leave in the fridge to set. Then you can take it out. It will be like a firm dough like that. Then you can get some icing on the surface and you can roll it out. So once you roll it out, you can get any shape. So I'm going to do today the gingerbread. So the gingerbread man shape, so the kids love it. So because of the self-raising flour, you can get quite thinner, because once it's thinner, it's coming like double in size because of the flour. And you can use the plain flour as well. And optionally, you can leave this dough in the fridge again to set, and then go into preheated oven for 180 centigrades for about 15 minutes. Then take it out and get into like a tray. Then you'll be like, you don't need to get too harder on the tray because it sets outside as well. Because if you use the syrup, it's helped to set outside. So prepare into the shapes. So today I did the gingerbread man shape. So then I put into the oven 180 degrees for half an hour to it's depending on the thickness. So today I did about thick one, so it took about 15 minutes. And so then I'm going to take it out from the oven. So I did I coated in the icing before I put it into the oven. So it's coming like that. And these ones really soft as well. So it's suitable for our babies. And you can do any decorations you want. So get any icing ready and do like gingerbread man, any decorations you want. I hope you enjoyed the gingerbread tutorial, and probably we can see you again with another recipe. Bye bye.